What time is it? What? Ah!
Surprise! Good morning, Mom!
Oh my gosh! Kids, what is that? A sloth? Why is a sloth in my face at 6 in the morning?
It's not a real sloth. It's a mask.
We made it last night.
Look, I cut the eyes.
And I glued the smile.
I think I just lost 5 years of my life.
Why is there a monster in our room?
It's your children.
Oh, sloth monsters. Of course.
Do you like it, Dad?
I love it. Just maybe not 2 centimeters from my eyeballs at sunrise.
Okay. Good morning, my wild jungle explorers.
Mom, it's a special day.
Adventure Day.
And almost heart attack day.
Pancakes! Mom, look!
I see them. And fresh mango.
I want everything.
Mom, what are we doing today?
Well, I thought maybe the beach.
Or something cooler.
Cooler?
I booked a jungle tour. Full day. Surprise.
A what?
Jungle tour. Forest, animals, waterfall.
Yes!
David, why didn't you tell me yesterday?
Because I wanted everyone to sleep last night.
You are unbelievable.
Thank you.
I'm ready for the rainforest.
I want monkeys.
Eat first, adventure later.
Can I wear the sloth mask?
No.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
What does buenos dias mean?
It means good morning in Spanish.
Can we say it too?
Of course.
Buenos dias!
Perfect. This is papaya. Very sweet today.
Thank you so much.
Pura vida.
What does that mean?
Pura vida. It means pure life, but we use it to say hello, thank you, or that everything is good.
That's so cool.
Can I say it all day?
Yes, Costa Rica will love you.
Ready to learn some Spanish today too?
Yes!
Good morning. Are you the Watson family?
Yes.
I'm Carlos, your guide today. We will learn nature and some English.
Yes.
English and monkeys.
Maybe both. Let's learn new words. Repeat after me. Rainforest,
Rainforest.
waterfall,
Waterfall.
river,
River.
Perfect.
Better than my accent.
Look, mountains.
Wow.
They're huge.
So beautiful.
Carlos, will we see dinosaurs?
No dinosaurs today.
That's okay. I like sloths better.
Stay together. Follow me.
Kids, hands.
Mom,
Explorers work in teams.
Fine.
Mom, look! A tiny lizard.
So fast.
Listen. Birds. Many birds.
It sounds like music.
Look up.
Sloth!
It's adorable.
And so slow.
And I thought I was slow in the morning.
This is a three-toed sloth. Very peaceful.
I love him.
Welcome to Costa Rica, kids.
Mom, do sloths ever fall down?
I hope not. They look very relaxed.
Same as me after lunch.
David,
Sloths are very strong. They hold the tree all day.
All day?
All day. All night, too.
That's my dream job.
It smells like green.
yes, very green, very alive.
Shh. Listen.
Is it a snake?
Not a snake. Look, up there.
Monkeys.
They're so fast. Look, that one is upside down.
They're like you two, never still for 1 second.
Don't touch. They only want to see.
Do they want a bite?
No food. No food, amigo.
Okay.
Good listeners. Monkeys and children.
Hey, that's my favorite hat.
Dad, it looks better on him.
David, your hat has officially moved on.
Don't worry. I can get it.
My hero.
This is jungle life, my friend. Careful here. The bridge is old.
Mom,
It's okay. Anna, I'm right here.
Look, fish.
Not the time, buddy.
see? I did it.
Brave explorer.
Good. We continue this way.
Wow.
It's a secret beach.
It's perfect.
5 stars. No tourists. No loud music. No emails.
This is a hidden beach. Only a few people know it.
Can we swim?
Yes, only in the shallow water.
Hello, amigos. Coconut water?
Oh, that sounds perfect.
Mom, is he from here?
Yes, sweetie.
¡Qué rico!
What does that mean?
It means so tasty. We say it when food is very good.
Qué rico.
Good accent. This is really good. Fresh from the tree. Enjoy your day, amigos.
He was nice.
Local vendors know this B12.
Beach sandwiches always taste better.
That's science.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Shell.
Shell.
Sand.
Sand. Carlos, what's that?
That is driftwood.
Driftwood.
Nice job, Peter.
What was that?
Thunder?
Rain is coming. Quickly, pack your things.
It's raining.
So fast.
Grab your shoes.
The weather changes faster than our kids' moods.
We're all wet.
I love it. Everything is shiny.
The beach looks like silver.
Tropical rain. Very normal. It will stop soon.
This is strangely calming.
Like nature's white noise.
The rain feels warm.
Yes, warm rain. Costa Rica style. See? Finished.
That was fun.
Wet but fun.
Mom, the forest smells different now.
After rain, everything wakes up.
Me too. I'm awake.
We will see a small waterfall soon. Not big, but very beautiful.
Will there be frogs?
Maybe. Many colors.
As long as they don't steal my hat again.
No promises.
I hear it. I hear the waterfall.
Me too. It's like the forest is singing.
That's a beautiful way to say it. Oh, wow.
This is unreal.
It's like a postcard.
I want to jump in.
Maybe not jump, but you can touch the water.
It's cold.
Waterfalls usually are.
This is a special place. Many families come here on weekends.
Do they swim?
Sometimes, but today the water is strong after the rain.
Good call. No swimming today.
Mom, a rainbow!
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I caught it.
You caught the magic.
La selva brilla después de la lluvia. It means the forest shines after the rain. This place, it has its own spirit.
That's beautiful.
This is Isabel. She keeps the trails safe for visitors.
Enjoy the waterfall, niños. Nature is a gift.
She was nice.
She talked like a forest grandma.
She does feel magical, doesn't she? What a day!
Jungle, monkeys, rain, waterfall.
Sloth. You forgot the sloth.
And Dad's hat almost got stolen.
A heroic rescue performed by Carlos.
My pleasure.
Carlos, thank you for such an amazing day.
You are very welcome.
What's next?
Next, we walk back to the beach road. The bus waits there.
Back to the hotel?
Yes, we go home, rest, and tomorrow, maybe more adventure.
Oh, I'm tired, but happy.
Me too, sweetie.
Mom, look, fireflies.
They're like tiny stars.
This forest looks magical at this hour.
Sunset in the jungle is very peaceful.
I could stay here forever.
No! We have to see the beach again.
And the monkeys.
And eat dinner.
And ice cream.
We are almost back to the beach road. 10 more minutes.
Kids, stay close. Mom, what's this?
Careful, Peter. What is it?
It looks like a pancake rock.
It looks like a puzzle piece.
This is interesting.
Whoa, that doesn't look modern.
It's old. Look at the patterns.
Where did you find this?
Right there, under that big tree.
This is not from now.
How old do you think it is?
Maybe from an ancient civilization.
Ancient?
Like old?
Very old. Many, many years.
Is it treasure?
A treasure clue?
Maybe there's gold. Maybe a golden monkey toy.
Or a diamond doll?
Okay. Slow down, explorers.
Or maybe chocolate coins.
I'll take chocolate coins.
Me too.
This symbol, I've seen it in a museum.
Really?
Yes, a tribe lived here long ago. They made things like this.
Mom, can we look for more?
Please.
How can I say no to you two?
A little treasure hunt before dinner sounds fun.
We can walk a bit, just a short look. The hotel can wait.
Yay!
Stay close. Look for more pieces like this.
Everyone, eyes on the ground.
And no touching anything alive, please.
Yes, Dad.
What if we find a whole treasure box?
Or a map.
Or maybe the rest of the broken pottery.
No, I think it's treasure.
Wait.
What is it?
No way!
We found another one!
This is unreal.
Okay, now I'm officially excited.
These two pieces, they fit together. This is not random.
What does it mean?
I'm not sure.
But it's something, right?
Yes, something important.
Mom, Dad, we're treasure hunters!
Best day ever!
This is crazy.
We should head back now. It's getting dark. Tomorrow, maybe we look again.
Yes!
Treasure hunt part 2!
All right, explorers. Time to end today's journey. And that was our first big day in Costa Rica. The rainforest, the animals, the hidden beach, and now a mysterious clue from an ancient world. Will we find more pieces? Is there really a treasure hidden out there? And what secret is waiting for our little family tomorrow? Join us in part 3 and follow our treasure hunt to the very end. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the final chapter of our Costa Rica journey.